Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Toyota 86 GT Coupe, stock reference number 5785. This shape runs from the 4th month 2012 through to the 9th 2016. It has an FA 22-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. FA 22-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left door has no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, pair of aftermarket tail lights, tidy rear bumper cover, less bumper fog lamp, boot lid with carbon fibre spoiler, no damage, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right door has no damage, right guard has no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heating controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise control.